Traders, we just found a website that allows you to code any trading strategy in PineScript without coding knowledge. This service is based on artificial intelligence. It promises to be a great time saver for traders, allowing them to quickly create and test strategies. Honestly, this could be a game changer for the trading industry. In this video, we will explain how to use PionexGPT to create the most accurate automated trading strategy that could make you thousands of dollars in passive income. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or an advanced trader. With this AI-based service, you can start making money from trading with 100% proven trading strategies. Traders, if you're excited, hit that like button and subscribe to Magic Indicator Strategies to not miss our future uploads. So, how do we start with PionexGPT? Well, first of all, go to the Pionex.com website and create a free trading account. We'll leave a link to it in the comments below. Pionex is one of the best cryptocurrency exchange with free integrated trading bots. Once you've successfully created your account, navigate to the More button, and down here you will find PionexGPT. With this bot, you can create a profitable trading strategy, back-tested on TradingView, and automated on Pionex. You can describe your own trading strategy in simple words, or choose from the following questions. Let's first try this RSI trading strategy. As you can see, within seconds it provided us with a free code we can copy and paste into TradingView. You also have the option to further modify the code. For example, you want to change the strategy's money management. Simply ask PionexGPT to implement specific rules when taking profit or moving stop loss. You can also ask the bot to explain the code for you, which is really useful. The next step is to copy the code and paste it into TradingView's Pine editor. For this example, we will use Bitcoin's price chart. Click on the Open button and select Strategy. Delete the default code and paste the code you copied from PionexGPT. Add the script to the chart. Let's also adjust the parameters. Open the strategy's settings and in Properties set the initial account size at $1,000 and the order size at 10000 USDT. Let's see how well this trading strategy works on the 1-minute time frame. Even with default settings, the results look really promising. The win ratio is close to 70%. The trades were found in 1 day, and the profit we could have made was 22%. That is over 7,600% profit per year. However, keep in mind that this is without spreads and commissions. But even if we could make 1,000% return on investment per year, wouldn't it be awesome? If we look at these entries, we see that the strategy gives almost perfect signals. It buys when the security is oversold, or in other words, cheap, and sells when it is overbought or expensive. The results are also positive on a 3-minute time frame. The account balance increased right away and hadn't experienced any serious declines. The strategy made 54% profit. Keep in mind that the number of trades taken is also significant. If you're not happy with the results, you can always customize the strategy, or ask PionexGPT to integrate additional rules that will increase the win rate. If you are satisfied with the results, let us show you how you can create a trading bot with the following algorithm. This trading bot will automatically open and close positions based on signals. Simply go to Pionex.com and click on Trade. Select the Create a Signal Bot option. Here we can add our TradingView custom signal. Set the signal name and description if necessary. If you need more details, you can watch the Pionex team video tutorial on trading bots. The third step is to copy this webhook URL and paste it into your strategy's alerts. You can find the alert button next to the settings icon. Simply click on it and open notifications. Enable the webhook URL and paste the link. Lastly, you'll need to copy this code and paste it into the strategy's message. Once you're done, click Create. Return to Pionex and finish the setup. Now you can choose the instrument you want the bot to trade on. The pair we are using is Bitcoin USDT. Here you can also select the leverage and the initial investment. PionexGPT has its own marketplace of the most profitable trading algorithms too, which is really cool. Here you can choose any strategy based on monthly, quarterly, or yearly return on investment. Most of them charge a fixed percentage of the profit made. However, there are also free ones that produce high returns as well. For example, there is an IntelliBot SMC strategy that produces over 1,000% return on investment per year, which is absolutely insane. Let's look at more details. Here we see how profitable this strategy is. The equity curve looks amazing and the maximum drawdown is only 30%. You can subscribe to receive buy and sell signals with this strategy and start making money today. Let's take a look at one more strategy created by PionexGPT. This one will definitely blow your mind. Ask PionexGPT to give you a momentum strategy. Copy this code and paste it into Pine Editor. Now let's backtest it on Bitcoin's 1-minute time frame. Adjust the parameters just like we did with the first one. Now let's see what the numbers are like in the 1-minute time frame. The strategy managed to produce 882 trades. On shorter time frames, the number of trades is very high, so we recommend adding a trend filter like a moving average or volume indicator. Let's look at the strategy's performance on a daily chart. Out of 135 trades, this trading algorithm increased the account size by more than 600%. The maximum drawdown is 40%, which is not ideal, but remember, the strategy is not even optimized. Imagine if you could implement additional rules and trend filters into it. It would no doubt make you rich. If you would like a more advanced trading strategy that uses smart money management, you can ask PionexGPT to give you a trailing stop-loss strategy. The code uses the momentum indicator to enter long or short positions and cancels the entry when the momentum changes. If the trailing stop is hit, the code closes all open trades. The code defines whether the position is long or short and initializes the trailing stop. The trailing stop is activated when the trailing stop activation is reached, and it trails the position with a stop loss at a certain distance from the highest profit and loss. This strategy is very effective in a trending and ranging market. It works very well in shorter time frames such as 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. Notice how this algorithm is able to catch massive trends by entering early and adjusting the stop loss as the price moves in the right direction. The principle of this strategy is to keep losses small and profits big. We believe algorithmic trading is a superior way of trading. It has multiple benefits. The most obvious are speed and accuracy. Algorithms are capable of processing vast amounts of information and making trading decisions in a fraction of a second. Humans simply can't match the speed and precision of an algorithm when it comes to assessing market conditions and executing trades. Another crucial benefit is the elimination of emotional and psychological factors. Algorithms follow predefined rules, so trading decisions are not affected by emotions or psychological aspects, which can often lead to poor decisions in investment and trading. Algo trading allows for extensive backtesting using historical data, which is extremely difficult to achieve manually. Traders can use this feature to understand how a particular strategy might have performed in the past before risking any actual capital. So definitely consider using the PionexGPT trading algorithms in the future. You can see how easy it is to automate them and start making passive income without wasting time and trading manually. If you enjoyed today's video, leave a like to it and subscribe to our channel. Till next time.